Welcome to Make48, the show where young visionaries shape the future, one prototype at a time.
Scholarly seconds, small things make a big impact.
This thrilling series chronicles high school and college teams as they compete to solve real-world challenges for some of the world's biggest brands. In just 48 hours, these innovators must ideate, design, fabricate, and present a fully realized concept, turning sparks of creativity into actionable solutions. With guidance from industry mentors, engineers, and marketing experts, they'll overcome obstacles
The dividers, they're a pain in the head.
and bring their bold ideas to life. This season, Make48 introduces a full national bracket that begins with 128 schools battling it out in classrooms across the nation. From these intense preliminary rounds, 32 teams will advance to 4 regional playoffs, culminating in one epic national event. The ultimate champions will take home the top prize, and their journey will unfold across 12 action-packed episodes.
That is so cute.
Okay,
I love that.
Follow the journey as teams navigate brainstorming sessions, prototype creation, and branding strategies, all leading to climactic pitches in front of leading industry judges.
And how do you plan on selling this product?
With help from you?
Each episode highlights the stakes of competing, the grit of invention, and the triumphs of collaboration.
All right, we can do it. Easy. Easy money.
It's not just about the win. It's about changing the world one idea at a time.
Let's go!
Join us for Make48, where 128 schools enter, one team emerges victorious, and the dreamers of today become the changemakers of tomorrow.